So hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a merge sort algorithm. So merge sort algorithm is used to sort the array. So let's take an example and try to sort this array using merge sort. So let me write an array. 3, 5, 4, 6, 8. Let me write over here 1 and 9. Okay, this is our array. Now we have to sort this array. So how we are going to sort this array? To let me write one more element in this array. Let me write that 6. Okay. So this is our array, and we will try to sort this array. Okay. So what we're going to do is we will going to part this array, divide this array into two parts, and then we are going to merge this array. So what this means is, so what we're going to do is we will divide this array in two parts, in these two parts, and then we will again, and our function return this sorted array. Our function will sort this array, this little array, and then we are going to merge these two array. So what does this mean is, so let's follow the merge sort algorithm, and at the end we will know what this means is. So we will just take a two we will just make two parts. Now again we have this array, make two parts of this array, 3 and 3 5 and 4 1. So let's make two parts of this array. So first of all write two parts of this array, 3 5 4 1. Okay, and another part is 8 9 6. These are two parts. Okay, now these two parts, again we are divide this array into two parts. Okay, and two parts are 3 5 and 4 and 1. Okay, these are two parts. Over here we will again divide into two parts because we have three elements, so we are dividing like this. So 8 9 and 6. Now again over here we have two elements. We can furthermore divide these two element into one element, 3 5, and over here 4 1. Okay, and over here we can divide this into two parts, 8 and 9. Okay, and 6 is we are not able to divide furthermore in 6, so we will just write it down 6. So we divide this array in as many parts as possible. Okay, now what we're going to do is, now we will going to sort these parts. So first of all we will sort these two. Okay, so merge these two. What we're going to do is merge these little elements, little sorted part of array. So there is only one element in array, so it means it's sorted. Okay, so now let's merge these two array. So if we merge these two array, we will get 3 and 5. Now we have let's merge these two parts, 4 and 1. We will get we will get 1 and 4. How 1 and 4? We will merge this in a sorted order. Okay, so in sorted order, 1 comes first and 4 come last. Okay, now again sort these two array. So 8 come first and then 9. Okay, so 8 come first and then 9. Now again we are merge these two array. So we will merge these two array, and first of all 1 come, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, over here let's merge this and this 6. Okay, so we will merge these two elements. So 6 come first, so we will write 6, then 8, then 9. So and now at the end we will merge these two elements. So to merge this, so we will merge like 1 3 4 5 6 8 9. Okay, this is how we will merge this. Even if there is 6 over here and 5 over here, we will put 5 in a sorted order and 6 in a is sorted order. Okay, so this is what going to do. Now how we will going to merge this array? First of all, uh, we divide this array into two portion each and every time. So to divide this array, so we will it will going to take big of log n time. Okay, log n base 2 times, because we are dividing to each and every iteration by 2. So first of all, we divide this array into two parts, this one and this one. Then again we divide this array into two parts. So time complexity of dividing this array into two parts is log n. Okay, now when we are want to merge these two array, it will going to take time complexity of big of n. How it will take big of n? So let's talk about first that. So what we're going to do is, let's take this example, okay, 3 5 and 1 4. Okay, let's merge these two array. And so what we're going to do is, we will create another array, size of both of these, size of both element of total of this first array and second array. Okay, so let's just create the array. Okay, I have created the array. Now what we're going to do is, I will start from over here, j pointer over here. Okay, my start pointer at the first index of first array, and j pointer is first index of second array. Now I will compare these two elements, and I will compare both first element of both array. Like one is smaller, then we will put one in the array, and then we will increment our ji variable. Now we will again check I and j. So I is greater, so we will put ith element in array, and we will increment our I. Okay, now we will again check I and j. Okay, j is our j is smaller, so we will put j, and we will increment our j. So we have reached to a boundary of some of the array. If we reach to the boundary of some array, then we will just simply put all other element of that array. So we will put 5 over here. If there is 6 over here, so we will simply just put 6 over here. We will put entire array. When one element reach to the bound, we will put entire array. So as you can see over here, we are taking nth element time. So we are iterating through n element. So it will going to cost its time complexity become big of n. Okay, so we are doing, first we are dividing, so it take log n time, and after for merging it take log n time, linear time. So total time complexity become of this algorithm is n log n. Okay, and over here we are creating extra space. So that's why a space complexity of this algorithm become big of n. Okay, this is the space complexity, and this is the time complexity of this algorithm. Now let's code it up, this algorithm. So let's write the algorithm. So first of all, I am creating a merge sort function. So in this function we are getting nums and I and j. Okay, and then we will just simply return nums. Okay, let me get array input from the user. So I will create nums area and getting in list using map. Okay, by using this line we are able to get input as a list, and then we will just print merge sort of nums. So I am passing nums and 0 as an input, and length of the nums -1, this is as an input. Okay, so this is the first index, this is the last index. These indexes are used in a while we divide the array. So while dividing the array, these indices are used. So let's write a base case. So when we are stopped our recursion, when we reach to over here, we will stop calling this function again. So when this condition become true, when I is greater than equal to j, because when this condition become true, then we know that we reach to the last element. So at the end we will just simply return. Okay, so just so instead of that I will just so we will just return. So let me write return nums. Okay, so we will return nums. If we are not over here, we are over here. So what we are going to do is we will calculate a mid element. Mid equal to I plus j divided by 2. So by using this we are getting a mid of the array. So we are getting mid of the array, and then we are calling the function merge sort again. So merge sort nums, we are passing nums I to mid, and then merge sort we are passing nums mid plus 1, because mid is using we are mid using over here, so we are passing mid plus 1 and at the till j. Okay, and then we know that our array from over here and over here are sorted. So we know that this portion of our array is sorted. So what we're going to do is we will merge this array. Then we are going to merge. So we are performing now this task. Okay, so how we are going to do is we are just let me write another function for that. Merge, which take nums as an input and first index and last index. First index of our array and the second index of our array. So instead of that, I am passing the nums. So nums1 as I2 mid plus 1 element. Okay, and then nums of nums I am passing nums of mid plus element, and then mid to mid plus 1 to jth element. Okay, so by using this we are sorting we are merging these two arrays, and then just create a merge function def merge, and we are returning nums of I from j, and we are here also we have to plus 1, because in index we will not get a jth index. So we have to j plus 1, we have to write j plus 1 over here, j plus 1, and we are storing a result of merge. Okay, so I am creating a merge function which will take two elements, nums1 and nums2. Okay, so we have passed over here nums1 and nums2, and we will return the merge merge array. So let me call that merge array as a temp, or let me call as nums. Okay, so nums is our return array. So this is our nums array. Okay, and now we are merging these two arrays. So what we're going to do is let's create a two indexes I equal to j equal to 0. Okay, we have created two indexes for I which will point to the first element, and while I is less than nums of 1, len of nums of 1, and j is less than len of nums of 2, we will iterate through the array. Let me write as and. Okay, we will iterate through the array, and also we are creating a kth index. We don't need it because we will just append the element if uh, nums1 of I is less than equal to nums2 of j. Then what we're going to do is we will just append this element temp our nums dot append अरे यार, nums ones of I. Okay, we will append I, then we will just I plus 1. We will going to do I plus 1s. If this is not the case, then we will just append second element, and we will nums2 of j, and we will just increment j. Okay, so and at the end, if like over here, 5 and 6 are remaining element, so we have to check this. So what we're going to do is, if I is less than, while I is less than len of nums1, then we will just simply performing these two tasks. Okay, so same over here, while j is less than len of nums2, we will simply perform these two tasks. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, and at the end we will just return nums. Okay, so this is the pretty much all the code. Now let's run this code for any compilation error. So we want to take an input, so let me write just a random number. So I have written a random numbers. Okay, we are getting an error, so let me just check it what it is. I just found out a problem. So I have written nums over here instead of nums2, so this is the error. So let's run this code for any compilation error. So let me write any random numbers. Okay, so let me write a 0 also and -5. Okay, this is also okay. So as you can see over here, we are getting a correct output. Let me remove this. Oops, sorry. Let me remove this first. These lines. I just append this line for checking what is happening. So okay, now let's again run this code. And let me write 0 multiple time, also minus values multiple time. Okay, so this is the problem. Now let's check. So as you can see over here, we are getting a sorted array. So this is the code. Thank you for watching this video.